Come on, shoot the beast.
Before long, the sky's gonna get damn crowded. We need to blast those planes to pieces before they take off.
Oh, scheiße. Gott, mój Bruder. Ale Blut jest nicht mehr. Ej, Bombą wygoni, nie?
Yes! Ready for more, you savage bastards!
The
question is, where are they coming from?
Von unten erwartet zum nächsten. Wir schützen, wohin? Ganz damit hoch. Ihr Feinde, besatzen. Gibt ihr dort Feind?
To destroy those creatures rather than study them. They're dead. That's good. Study music instead. Much safer. I could have found out what they are and how to make use of them. What are you? Some kind of mad scientist? I am an officer and an explorer. I seek knowledge for myself and victory for the fatherland. I get the feeling when I land in the ship, it's gonna be a whole lot deeper with you on board. Now don't waste time flying around here.
Ah ja, wir fliegen jetzt. Da müssen wir nicht. Ja gut, alles super. Für die Fortress. Und die Fortress. der Flughafen. Super. Ja, wir sind hier in der Entwicklung. Leute. Eventuell. Vielleicht war nicht.
Why are they shooting at us? And what's that gas the Zeppelin spraying? Traitors! Damn traitors! I think we know why the plague is spreading so fast now. The question is, who is giving the orders? Hey! Look at the compass, old man! These balloons are deadly!
Moment, keine Panik. Okay, Buben. Nicht drum ist ich.
Yeah, that's it. You know, no offense, but for an old man, you're not bad. Now I'll take that pilot seat if you don't mind. It's about time I got us through the fortress. Change seats in midair? And you say I'm mad? Come on. Old timers like you should be settled in the back, enjoying the scenery. No, this can't be for real! Sprayed with bullets! I'll try to get us the hell away from this mess!
Fight the dragon!
Dad! Shoot down those fireballs!
Komm da, Feuer! Ein Feuer! Roche, lleno. dat. Irgendwie scheint dat.
Hold on! It's going to be a bumpy landing!
Eine Bruchlandung. Die verdroeg je.
Personal note day 1. Last night I had a bad dream.